Hi, folks. Bill Summers here with Anchor Medical Company. We represent the MFPHD Fortress Wall System here in the state of California, as well as Nevada. Just creating this quick video to cover some of the infection prevention benefits of this wall system. Now, if you don't already know what the MFPHD Fortress Wall System is, we are replacing traditional construction of walls, which is usually drywall, epoxy paint, and some type of wall protection that's then glued to that drywall to protect that wall. Now we are all of that in one system. So it is 5/8 inch Type X mold resistant drywall wrapped in 1.2 millimeters of stainless. So it's an ultra durable, super clean surface with hard corners in and out. It eliminates the need for wall protection. And we can give you a full height stainless look, or we could give you a powder coat look like what you see here. Now, infection preventionists love this system for a number of reasons. One, we're twice as clean as traditional construction. We have the data to back that up. We're also removing the bulk of the horizontal ledges in the operating room. Also, we do sterile processing departments in pharmacies. And that makes it easier for EVS to be able to effectively do their job and terminally clean those rooms. We have a smooth monolithic design with our system, and I'll show you some examples of how we've done that. Now, the way that we got the data to back up our claims that it's twice as clean as traditional construction, first of all, just common sense. Stainless steel has been in operating rooms for decades, like our back tables, things like that. We know that it is resistant to pathogens and growth of different types of microorganisms. However, we went and had worked with Xenex, who's a popular UV robot manufacturer, and they did the testing for us. We did agar plate testing in high touch surfaces in 4 MFPHD Fortress rooms and then 4 traditionally built rooms. The colony counts came back half as much in the MFPHD rooms compared to your traditionally constructed rooms. Also, because of our smooth monolithic design and removing horizontal ledges, we're making it easier for EVS to be able to effectively terminally clean the rooms. They've got a difficult enough job as it is. Now we're giving them the tools that they need to be successful. Now, the vertical lines that you see here is a silicone gasket. It is 100% watertight. So you're not going to get any moisture behind that wall. This is an aquarium that we've built for several states to prove that. This aquarium will hold that water indefinitely until you pull that gasket, and all of the water will come down into this little contraption here. We also give you a 10-year warranty on the silicone gasket, and we've got the data to back up that bacteria is not going to grow on these silicone gaskets. Now, this is any hospital USA that we see today. You've got cracked, chipped paint. You've got cracked corner guards. You've got exposed drywall dust. You've got horizontal ledges. We're going to remove all of those for your high sterility environments in healthcare. This is a large hybrid operating room. The gurney wants to rub up on this wall every time it comes in and out of this OR. We were actually doing a site visit with this customer, and they said, well, the wall's clean. It just has some scuff marks. So we took their Virex solution, a Scotch-Brite pad. We brushed with the grain, and we totally buffed out that wall, made it look good as new. Here are some ways that we can remove the horizontal ledges by doing things like taking your wall-mounted monitors, and we can tuck those behind glass. We can also give you smooth monolithic windows for your control room windows and your scrub sink windows that look just like you see here in the image on the right. This is what we see quite often. You've got a lot of wall-mounted equipment. We can try and take the bulk of these and recess them where it makes sense in your operating room. Here's another way that we can tuck a monitor back by just giving you a soffit to be able to push your monitor in and out and still be able to have access behind that monitor. Now, UV disinfection is something that we get asked about a lot. Now, if you're currently using UV in your hospital, that's great. We're going to enhance the efficacy of your UV treatments. We enhance the reflectivity of the rooms by about 50%. So that's going to either lead to a lower cycle time or just more effective UV treatments that you're already doing. If you would like, we can also integrate the Pulse Xenon technology directly into the wall panels themselves. Now, the beauty of this is you can do all of your rooms at one time in the middle of the night. You can do one room at a time in between cases for high-risk patients. You use the system as you see fit, but the beauty is you don't have to have a full-time employee moving that robot from one location to the next. This is fixed, it's automated, it's passive. It will do its job every day. And it's also going to collect that data within your building management system for you. Now, in summary, what are the key benefits for infection prevention with this wall system? To me, it's the fact that it is so durable and ultra clean, twice as clean as traditional construction, that you're never going to penetrate this wall or ever have exposed drywall dust in your operating room. We're also making it easier for EVS to be able to more effectively terminally clean your ORs and do it in a faster amount of time and do a better job. And then also with the UV treatments, which is becoming much more popular in hospitals today, we're going to enhance the efficacy of that UV treatment and potentially reduce the cycle times. So I appreciate you watching this video today. We do have some other videos if you'd like to check it out for some of the many other benefits of the Fortress Wall System. Please feel free to check those out. And if you have any questions, reach out to me or your local rep. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.